Hello, I'm Marcelo. I'm a full stack engineer with focus on AI and LLM integrations. And here I want to demonstrate how I leverage AI and LLM to work with a travel cruise booking platform, Avoya. So let's get started. Here I have the main website as it is right now. And based on my research, I understand that they sell cruise and tour travel to people. So here we have some information about what is being offered, and then I can go to the details of that tour and view the details of the cruise, the pricing, and all that. So I use this as a starting point to build a different platform. By different, I mean a different code base on the back end, on the front end. The tech stack is Python and Next.js and JavaScript on the front end, and it's running on my local environment. So here I have the new platform that I've been building. I added a hero video background, some scrolling effect here, and showing the partners as a carousel. Anyway, so and then I'm signed in. So as a user signed in, I can search for cruises. This information I got from the website using a data scraper. So as you can see, I can filter by cruise lines. So let's say I'm going to pick Disney here, and then I see some cruise information about Disney as the destination. Let's say it's Bahamas and departure port Miami. There's nothing in Miami, so let's try Fort Lauderdale. And here I have some information. As you can see, there's some ratings here that I was able to collect from the reviews on the website as well. And then the filtering happens by price. If I want to, let's say something between $900 and $1,000, then I have some options here, and then I can see the schedules, which are the options when I can still sort here, and then check on availability. Going back to my search, I've added some filtering here, which is great UI for users, so I can remove these and still keep adding them. So this is to demonstrate how I've been working with, again, Python Fast API on the back end using Postgres, and then on the front end using React and Next.js. And then the other thing that I think was nice to show is I can still look at tours available. Let's look at this one. For example, I still get the information about the tour, the day itinerary, the map, and then the availability. So this again was prepared building the API endpoints with services, with models, migrations. And then the other thing that I wanted to show that I think is really powerful here is the LLM. In the LLM integration, I use LangChain OpenAI, and I'm demonstrating it by using this little chat here, which I called Ava. Again, it's using LangChain, OpenAI, and tool calling. So I'm gonna go ahead and start a new chat here. Hello. And then it will get back to me with the assistance and asking what am I looking to do. So I'm thinking about a cruise. And then it will provide me with some questions to get started with the search. I want to travel in June. Destination Bahamas would be nice. And then it comes back to me with the party size, asking for a party size or cruise line or ship preference. Let's say I have some questions. So what are the cruise lines you have available? And then it will provide me with some of the options. Disney, I like that. What are the options here? and then it's again making sure that it's got all the information from me. But let's say I don't mind. Let's just find out options first. So here it's found some it got a little bit of an issue there, but then it figured out, and then it got some options for me. When I click one of these, um, oops, yeah, that should have taken me to the details page for that one. Maybe I need to fix this, but as you can see, it's collecting the data from the database. Um, and then one more thing that I find interesting is that, okay, how are Disney reviews? Let's see how the reviews are for Disney Cruise. So we have some reviews here that I got from fetching the data from the website. What's their lowest reviews about, with some comments? And then here we have a few reviews with information and comments about it. So this is what I wanted to demo. There was a little issue there rendering the page, but again, I can still use the search, click one here, go to the details page, look at the schedule, look at the prices, look at the options that I have for the cruise line. All this powered by Python, Fast API, SQL.